welcome back to Film Ride 315. Today I'll be going over the install of X3 XMR wheels on a 2021 Can-Am Commander. Mine's the 1000 DPS model. I ran into some issues here when I got the wheels. Stick around, find out, hit that like button if this helps you, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks. Just found out that the lugs on the DPS
will not fit the X3 wheels.
I had to order one part to make these fit, but anybody with the XT, XMR, XTP models shouldn't have this problem. I also found hubcaps that'll fit these Commanders with those wheels, so sit tight. Alright, to get these wheels off, you're going to need a 17mm socket. Pretty simple stuff. Now, if you're here wondering if you can fit X3 wheels on a Commander, and what you're going to need, this is the only issue I ran into. Now on these wheels, let's see here. These lug nuts are too recessed to fit a socket. You might be able to torque them down, but you're gonna mar up your wheels. So I'd suggest getting some XTP, XMR, or XT lug nuts. The X3 ones will not fit. Those are 1.5. These are 1.25. All right, I'm back. I misplaced my, yeah, let's get to it. So if you clicked on this video just wondering if these wheels will fit your Commander, yes they will, and all you need is these lug nuts. I have center caps off of a Maverick Sport coming in. The X3 ones won't fit, and the XT, XTP ones I believe clip to the wheel. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I always recommend torquing things to spec. This is going to be 74 foot-pounds of torque. You can get the BRP manual. I forgot the link right now, but I will leave it in the description. Now that you got this wheel up in the air, go ahead and move the wheel in every direction. Put a lot of pressure on it. If you have any wiggle, you're probably going to want to change your wheel bearings before they get too bad. Once you pop this wheel off, go ahead and look at your pads. Make sure they have some life left in them. And take a look at your rotors. Make sure there's no damage to them. If you'd like to see regular inspection and maintenance videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments. A little better than those stock wheels. Alright, that's it. If you guys found this helpful, leave me a thumbs up. If you have any feedback for me, go ahead and throw that in the comments box. I got a few more installs on the way. I want to get that snorkel up and running as soon as possible. So subscribe, stick around, and have a great day. Thank you.